Hi guys, this is Miss Addys. First off, I want to say I hope you guys are doing amazing and behaving great at home with your parents, and that I miss you so much, and I can't wait to have you guys back here with me because I need you here. Okay, so today I wanted to talk about the water cycle, and I drew this picture. I'm not sure if you guys can see it very well, but I drew this picture. So the first thing we have is the process that is called evaporation. So what happens is that the sun heats up the water, and when it heats up the water, that turns into a gas called water vapor. So when the water vapor goes up into the clouds, okay, it starts going up, it kind of mixes with the cold air, and that process is called condensation. So when it mixes with the cold air, it turns into water droplets, and those water droplets go up, they get stored in the cloud. Now the cloud gets heavy and heavier and heavier because there's too much water being stored there. When it's too heavy, it will let that water down. So it'll fall back into the ocean or back into the lake or back into the water stream. It just goes back. And that process is called precipitation. Now, when it falls back into the ocean or the water, that is called collection because it's collecting the water. So it's just a cycle. It goes over and over and over again, and the process will keep repeating itself. Okay, so for today's experiment, I have a glass. Obviously, it doesn't necessarily need to be like this. You guys could use a bowl, or you could use anything that, is transparent so you could see what's going on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some shaving cream. Now, the more shaving cream you put, the longer it's gonna last over here. So I'm going to put some shaving cream so you can see this over here like this. That's my cloud, right? Now I'm going to put some drops, which is gonna be my rain, right? When the rain goes up and it gets collected in the cloud. So this is my droplets, and I'm just gonna start putting them in and putting them in. You could do one color, or if you like me that loves every color, you can put different colors, right? So you just put drops of color, and this is food coloring. You can find it at the dollar store. So all my materials, I actually got them from the Dollar Tree. The shaving cream, I got it from my house. So then I'm gonna put some more. You guys can actually try to predict how many drops it takes in order for the cloud to become heavy and for the drops to come down. So what happened here was the drops, the cloud couldn't collect anymore, and the drops fell down, and it collected the drops. So that's basically what I just explained with my picture, but now you can see it. You can see how it happens. So that is all for today, and I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. And if you do this with your kids at home, I would love it if you record them, or record both of you, and you share it with us on Facebook at Sunshine State Academy or on Instagram. Okay, so I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, rest of the month, and I will see you hopefully soon. Bye.